Hey guys, Gal Level here, and today we're going to be reviewing this microphone. So this is the Tonor TC-777, a small format microphone by the company Tonor, of course. It's pretty impressive. At first, when I saw this microphone, I did not expect it to sound good at all, if I'm being honest. We're currently recording using it. We're gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna tell you everything that comes in the box. And at some point, I will also let you listen to it, what it sounds when you just plug it and play it. I'll also inform you for who I believe this microphone is for, who would have a better use out of it, and then of course the pros and cons. But right before that, this portion of the video is sponsored by Owned. Owned is your one-stop shop for everything customizable for live streamers and content creators. They have everything that you can possibly think of customizing, from your profile picture, your banner, offline image, your overlays, your alerts, your emotes, your subscriber badges, and everything else. One of my favorite features is a channel trailer maker. You can create a YouTube or Twitch intro or channel trailer by just a couple of clicks. Just click on create your own individual trailer and then choose from all the templates that they already have. Let's click on that one. Here you can customize the information that will be shown and select the different scenes. There are tons of other features, but I'll let you guys figure it out by going to owned.gg/gallevel. That's owned.gg/gallevel. OWN3D.gg/gallevel. Okay, so the Tonor TC-777 comes in the box pretty much pre-assembled. As you can see, it has this little tripod that goes on your table, and then as you can see, it has a shock mount on top of that tripod. This is already really good because I wish that every microphone in the world that comes with a little tripod would come with a shock mount. If you have something on your table, of course, it is more sensitive to vibrations, especially if you're playing video games. And this microphone apparently has been advertised for gamers, which I believe it is for, but to a certain extent. Another thing that we see that is included is what I like to call the mic beanie. Basically, it helps with the plosives. If you're going PPP, it really helps. And then we have this cool integrated little tiny cute pop filter. Honestly, this is the cutest pop filter I've ever seen, and it's really cool. It goes over it and it gives you that extra layer of protection. Do you need both protection, the mic beanie plus the pop filter? That's up to you to decide. I feel like having both is completely fine, especially the way the mic sounds. Now let's talk build quality. We are in low-end build quality, I would say. Here we're mostly dealing with plastic, but the fact that this little compact thing is already pre-assembled and ready to go makes it really worth it, in my opinion. When it comes to the pickup pattern, we are working with cardioid. I never know how to pronounce that. Basically, there is a direction and you have to speak where the logo is placed. Basically, you speak directly into the mic, not on top of it, not behind it. Now, since it's meant to be used on a tabletop, I've done a couple of tests to see the sound quality, both holding it up close and having it on a table. And I have to say that it is a pretty decent mic, even just on your table. So let's try it out right now. So here's the microphone on the tabletop without any filters added. I have a fan running in the background, so that gives you an idea of how well it is actually suppressing the noise. But of course, we're not picking up most of the lower frequencies anymore because of the position. If you want that to happen, then you would have to pick it up or at least put it on an arm so you can get the mic really close. This is why I like holding it here for this review, so it sounds better. Now, when it comes to the clarity of the mic, when I listened to it, I was not totally impressed. I mean, I was impressed because I thought it would be worse, but we do have a little bit of muddiness towards the lower frequencies. Of course, at that price range, at that build quality, we cannot really expect more. But when it comes to the chipset or when it comes to the build, this is like a lower quality Tonor Q9, for example. I would not use this mic for things like important professional work, like actual voiceover for film and radio and stuff like that. But it is perfectly decent if you're starting a YouTube channel, or if you're starting a live stream, or if you're doing voiceover but for like small projects, nothing too professional. In that case, I would tell you go with the Q9. You have a better quality overall, you have a better chipset in it, you have a better bitrate. The TC-777 is mostly advertised to do conference calls and stuff like that, and gaming. Obviously you can have it on your table and do gaming, communicate with your teammates. That being said, if you're live streaming your video games and you're hitting the table with your mouse and your mechanical keyboard, definitely put it on an arm or just go with the Q9 bundle. So let's recap the pros. The fact that it's that little compact bundle, including everything, the stand, the shock mount, the little pop filter, and the mic beanie ready to go, and it's plug and play and it sounds pretty decent. The cons, the fact that we still get that little bit of muddiness in the lower frequencies, meaning that we can't really use it for high quality professional level stuff. The fact that it's mostly plastic. The fact that, of course, the shock mount is not universal. You guys know I love universal stuff, but that's not really a con for the mic itself. It's more like, oh, I wish every mic would just have one universal shock mount. Anyways, all around, I think it's a good ratio when it comes to quality versus price. It goes for about 34 euros right now. So overall, I would say that this is a decent mic for that price. Again, don't forget to check out their Q9 if you're looking for a more higher quality version of this mic. But I'm pretty satisfied with it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it personally. I might even do a giveaway at some point. But I do think it's a perfect mic if you're just using it for Skype and Discord and just talking in game and stuff like that. So meeting, using it in Zoom and all of that. Perfect mic for that, definitely. Shoutouts to Hey Big Bread. Thank you for retweeting my latest video. I think I'm gonna be doing shoutouts to people that retweet my videos because I think that's really cool. Anyway, so if you want to buy the mic, there will be a link in the description, so definitely check it out. Thank you so much to Tonor for sending me the mic. I did not get paid, so all of my opinions in this review are absolutely mine. They just sent me the mic to give an honest review, and that's what I did. If you enjoyed the B-roll, basically the whole cinematic shots that I have of the mic, follow me on Instagram because I showed the whole process of doing a photo shoot, and you'll see it's actually simpler than you might imagine. And if you're looking for some dope overlays to make your live streams look great, go to gumroad.com/gallevel. I have a bunch of them. Most of them are free, and a lot of them are just plain old affordable. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below as usual. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. Gallevel out.